Okay, here's the donor truck. See, the bed is wiped out, the cab's wiped out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get this body off this truck, cut it up into little pieces, throw it away. We want the rear end, we want the transmission. So let's get to it. Plastic gets all dried up and won't bend. I guess it doesn't matter. I could just smash the thing. There it goes. Take it up the fun way. I'll tell you one thing about these trucks is the parts are getting rare now. Getting good quality parts, you have to buy an old truck instead. This cord support is impossible to find. You gotta go to a junkyard and pull one out of a truck. The new ones are absolute trash. Don't even waste your money on them. Oh, somebody's been down there. That's not a 10 anymore. I don't know what those are. Looks like maybe 5/16s. Looks like somebody's run some hardware store fasteners down here. There you go. They're not GM, but they're fine thread. They're good bolts. Too bad they lost them. Everybody lose all the bolts. Always lose all the bolts. Don't you think you're going to need the bolts? Looks like he had just enough oil leaking everywhere. Here comes the water. Yeah, it's just water. Let's get this. Oh wait, we've got oil cooler lines. I forgot. These are usually pretty easy to remove because they're almost always covered in oil. If we can get to it, that is. That's the secret. Just stick it down there. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. This one actually, I mean, you can see that something was leaking. I think that's power steering. I should probably pull this down so you can see some of what I'm talking about. So the oil cooler lines here, believe it or not, they're not leaking. At least not there. They might be leaking down below. But look at that oily mess. I think that's all power steering fluid. And we're going to steal this guy here. Hydro Boost. So your whole headlight harness runs along here, comes out this back hole. Alright, I gotta get this battery out, because we're just gonna pull the door off of this guy. It's a nice battery, brand new. Not an expensive one or anything, but do the job. 90s model GM vehicles require you to own every single tool that was ever made in 1990, because they want to use metric, they want to use standard, they wanted to use torques, they wanted to have it all over the place. Hey, look at that. You think someone was having a power steering problem? These are good lines. I'm going to keep them. So I think all I got to do is get a condenser. All right, that's it for today. One of the things we do need to hurry up and get this body off here so that we don't have anywhere for rats to hide and eat the fire. We're gonna. Oh, here, don't run off with that. Just knock the center cap out, and I gotta put the wheel back on. We're gonna just put it right back on there. Don't break my license.
Yeah, I was going to say, your wire's about to come off there. I thought you said this was going to be fun.
It really isn't being much fun, is it?
One more bolt and this seat is out of here.
Well, I've made some actual progress then. I'm having to fight every damn bolt up here. 2 or 3 bolts just won't let go.
I just moved the whole seat. Yeah, this is going to be satisfying when it does come out.
Yeah. Will that work finally?
Yeah.
Fit out with the door. This thing's got the original service manual. I like the artwork there. How about that? Look at that. It's even got deer in it.
Oh, well, yeah. That's how you know you're on a hill or a mountain road.
Because there's a deer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Because you wouldn't know otherwise, would you?
No.
I mean, how would I know it was on a mountain road if there wasn't deer?
It could be a regular road except for the wildlife.
Yeah.
Which tells you that it's not a city road.
Listen to this. Driving on steep hills or mountains is different from driving in flat or rolling terrain.
See, most people don't know that.
This steering column is definitely salvageable.
Yeah,
it's just it's missing a cover,
dude.
and the ignition switch is worn out. But I'm not going to use it because I've got 2 good steering columns right now. Oh, the horn doesn't work?
Take this thing back.
I should never buy it.
Take it back.
Oh, wait. No, that's clear. Almost. That's it.
There's nothing over here. Okay.
Holy cow, we got it. Wonder how close this battery is to being dead. Ah, what a mess. Hey, that's pretty good progress, dude. We're actually really close to pulling the cab. Yeah, it's that one I couldn't get to because it's... There we go. Okay, dude, this is going to be heavy. Yeah. Ready? Yeah, she's coming. Here she comes. Yeah, it's way down in there, that's why.
That's closer to 180 now.
Don't need the cab. Cab's junk. Did it even break? I don't even think the windshield broke. We got lucky that we didn't
smash your throttle body.
Oh. It just bent those. Well, it's a little better. I'll put some soap on it. Let it soak for a while and do it again.